Hello viewers. Welcome back to your own channel. Today, we are diving into the enchanting world of Pasabag, also known as Monk Valley, in the heart of Cappadocia, Turkey. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Pasabag Valley is famous for its unique rock formations called fairy chimneys. These mushroom-shaped rocks are not just a geological wonder but also hold a fascinating history. So, stick around as we unravel the mysteries of this magical place. The story of Pasabag begins millions of years ago with volcanic eruptions that covered the region in thick ash. Over time, this ash solidified into a soft rock called tuff. Wind and water erosion sculpted these incredible formations we see today. But what makes Pasabag truly special is its history. During the Byzantine era, monks seeking solitude carved out homes and churches in these fairy chimneys. One of the most famous was Saint Simeon, who lived atop a 15-meter-high chimney to escape the crowds and lead a life of contemplation. As you explore the valley, you'll notice the fairy chimneys often have multiple caps, giving them a surreal, otherworldly appearance. It's easy to see why early Christians found this place so inspiring and chose it as a site for their hermitages. In fact, the name Monk Valley comes from the hermit monks, particularly Saint Simeon, who lived in these formations to seek solitude and spiritual enlightenment. The Turkish name, Pasabag, translates to Pasha's vineyard or garden, reflecting the area's serene and fertile nature. Pasabag is not just about history, it's also a photographer's paradise. The unique rock formations and stunning landscapes offer endless opportunities for amazing shots. So, make sure your camera is ready. Don't miss the small church dedicated to Saint Simeon. It's one of the oldest structures in the valley and offers a glimpse into the spiritual life of the monks who once lived here. Now, you might be wondering how scientists determine the age of these fairy chimneys. The process involves studying the layers of volcanic ash and tuff that make up the formations. By analyzing the minerals within these layers, geologists can estimate that the chimneys began forming around 14 million years ago. The softer tuff eroded over millennia, leaving behind the harder basalt caps that protect the chimneys today. So, whether you are a history buff, a photography enthusiast, or just someone looking for a unique travel experience, Pasabag Valley has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to share your own experiences of this place, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.